Delaware, and it's spreading. And casinos, you can bet everywhere, will start taking bets on NBA games.
75 miles per hour, and the woman behind me is reading some kind of a pamphlet. She's turning pages. She's got it on her steering wheel.
I've just really have met a lot of people over the years, and after distributors as well as domestic distributors, can't give names, can't give numbers, all that good stuff, but you know, we're definitely looking at making sure that we have this thing pre-sold in order to, you know, get our investors their money back. That's the whole idea.
Whatever. You don't follow traffic rules. Forget that.
You'll find the highest price for a gallon of gas in San Francisco, the lowest in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. The average price of regular gas in the U.S. fell 3 cents over the past 2 weeks, $2.91 a gallon. More Americans are cutting the cord. Correspondent Ann Case reports.
Consumers are continuing to flee from traditional.
Oh, you're not the sharpest knife in the drawer.
Research firm eMarketer predicts
when they come in, they have to. In a lot of cases, you're dealing with time-sensitive information or time-sensitive materials to be tested.
Illegal left turn.
In this case, because that body had been out in the woods for.
But their naval force is in for exercises to clear the straits.
Really?
Clearly, this would be an
For the last 8 years, Fireside Kitchens and Grills has been the premier destination for outdoor kitchen design and appliances. Now Fireside is excited to be your indoor appliance expert as well. Are you building your dream house at River Island, updating your stately summer home? Fireside carries the cutting-edge, high-performance appliances that your home deserves, all at the lowest possible prices. Fireside is not big box. You can't find us everywhere, and we wouldn't have it any other way. Fireside understands the level of service you expect, and we're committed to providing it. At Fireside Kitchens and Grills, we install and service everything we sell.
Continue on I-20 East for 4 miles.
Fool?
for their fair but evil ride. 6 times she was wed at the altar of God. On her hand she wore 6 golden rings. The same week in which we have Ivanka Trump making these comments about the press, and then Sarah Huckabee Sanders getting into it with the press over the same issue.
What? This is a street. Why are people parked on the damn street? What the hell?
And every moment that we're doing the Enemy of the People song and dance, we're not.
Windsor Jewelers are celebrating a very special sale and promotion right now. It's called their tax-free special days, and I'm here to tell you, it's not a, don't get excited. The government did not pass special legislation that declared Windsor to be tax-free. Windsor is calculating the tax that you would pay on any purchase, and they are taking care of it themselves. So that's an instant discount. By the way, they've also got some other specials that you need to see to appreciate right there at their Windsor Jewelers location, Washington Road.
Turn up the music. Let's just be together tonight.
A.com to learn more.
But have you been to Pennsylvania, where they took the flight into the ground? It's funny you ask, because if possible, I'm a bigger Steelers.
You know, if you used a blinker, I would have known you were moving.
And I'm going there. Phone lines here. Ben's getting the name and information on the winner. We'll start opening the phone lines up for your comments on the news of the day. 706-863-5800. The number star 580 on the Verizon wireless mobile phone. I think if that claim were being made, that would have figured very prominently in the police report on this, the incident report. The bottom line is that the young ladies, or young lady, involved in this case has been charged with about a half dozen very, very serious
drives faster than me, and you can't do it behind me. You have to pass. That's pretty slick.
Hey, man. You heard of blinkers. Just a little.
WGAC 24-hour news traffic and weather center. I'm Zach Taylor.
We'll see clear skies tonight and dip down to 73 for the overnight low. Then tomorrow, clouds and sun, about a 30%.
Dude, really? Dude, really?
$1 just to shut you up. I was actually excited to see that Mike Pence believes in space.
The crash is coming. You can fight this, not with stocks or bonds.
5179.
Waves and an IRA from Augusta Precious.
This ain't the final curtain. Girl, it's time to get on the show. Sometimes love is a river of tears. So pick up the oar and go.
I'm not going to say how much time my wife should sit on the mirror. Watching the video. But it's not as long as that. But she's either in the shower or ironing clothes all day, or picking out clothes for go, whatever it has to be. Keep watching TV, and you can hear it. That's often frustrating. You try and do that very, very much. So, in my First training camp, he was back in 3rd things.
Kind of special from the get-go, and you know, some of them
MGM uses that proprietary data to set the odds on games. There'll also be a ton of cross-promotion with MGM ads on NBA TV and inside arenas. Now, the league can still make deals with other gaming companies, and while sports betting has been legal for years in Las Vegas, it's now available in other states like New Jersey and Delaware, and spreading. In casinos, you can bet everywhere. We'll start taking bets on NBA games when that season starts later this year.
Yep, CNBC's Tom Busby, 23 after. Nintendo.
exit right from the left lane.
I'm Kathleen Maloney, Fox News.
Be cool when you go back to school in a new Toyota from Belgian Roofing Toyota during the
And 92 degrees at 438. WGAC 24-hour news traffic analysis center on Gale 90. Inside the information WGAC.
And yes, up here in San Bernardino, when you're casual road, when they're getting ready in the room, in the kitchen or something, going, check me over.
Free pass the ball.
Well, he's on the Bronx team, so he doesn't have to do much during the game, so he can
Understood.
get away with it.
Understood. 707. Oh, by the way,
Then I stopped by Fireside Kitchen and Grills downtown on Broad Street. The past 8 years, Fireside has been the premier outdoor kitchen provider, and now Fireside carries indoor appliances too. Fireside Kitchen and Grills has all the cutting edge for you.
Bob Arnott. For pain relief, the best solution may surprise you. I found that Salon Pause Lidocaine Plus works best for my pain. It's powerful, available.
Citing what he says is the White House's open hostility toward protecting American student loan borrowers. Seth Frotman says he'll step down from his position as student loan ombudsman at the end of the week.
You left your house, you knew where you're going. Plan ahead.
Wrong side, baby. That is the wrong side of the road.
Certainly gonna throw. Well, this is big because it's just a start. But because football season is just around the corner, that means millions more will be wagered.
Stay in your lane.
On pro and college games.
Wow, really?
You can hear me yelling on the got the paddle on my head. Never mind, turn off, don't have me in my till the morning wakes her lovely. I'm off to go and I'm for sure love. I mean,
The team you need on your side in these very, very difficult times. Cybersecurity is not just a buzzword, it's a way of life for EDTS. Do not take second-rate imitators. EDTS online, EDTS.com. EDTS.com for you.
Buried in credit card debt? Reduce it now to a fraction of what you owe. Call for free advice. 800-471-0216. 800-471-0216.
traffic moving at a normal pace. Also, people have the right to voice their opinion, and I appreciate that our country does allow that.
With about 100 yards and scores of police officers between them in Lafayette Park, plus a steady rain, the white supremacist early departure was cheered by counter-demonstrators who'd come several thousand strong. There was no sound system for the white nationalists, and comments to the media were few. A lot of people doubted that we could do.
Stream it live at MLB.com. The hour's top national story, the U.S. economy surged in the April to June quarter, growing at an annual rate of 4.1%, the fastest since 2014.
The various projects at Fort Gordon. Next time he is on your show, can you please ask him if recreation facilities are to be expanded? I have a son who is playing.
Spencer has the latest.
The most menacing fire in California continues to be the Mendocino Complex fire, a combination of...
Kia.com.
Ratings based on June 2018 Kia sales reports. All versus qualified buyers. Expires 9/30/18.
To every year the way that you would Disney World or Six Flags, but it was fun nonetheless. I remember when I was a young kid and went there, I was probably like 5 years old. My favorite part was unsuspectingly go.